So I want to share one thing which I have read today morning in News 18 report. The report says that people nowadays people are choosing being single. They are choosing to stay single over relationships and marriages. They are not running behind both of this. So why this report goes on, and in this report when they want to talk that why is it people choosing that, so that reason comes as there are two major reasons for that. One is that people have had a bad experience in their previous relationship and they don't want to jump into another, and another is their freedom. So when people were asked that why are they choosing this, they told that they want a drama-free, peaceful life where they can give space to themselves, where they can self-improvise, where they can meet their friends, they can give priority to their family or their own parents. When it comes to girls, there are many restrictions after marriages and before marriages as well. So when they are when they are getting the freedom, they have opportunities to learn new skills, develop new skills, and be happy in their life. And one very major thing what this report says, and which is very impactful, which I loved, is that people are not at all scared about what society will say, or they are not at all doing things in society's pressure. They are running behind self improvement instead of earlier how we were running behind society's pressure, because society, according to society, if you are leading a happy and successful life, that is to have get married, have kids, and then do the same what our parents and their parents, what is going on from years and years. So now if someone is not choosing that and going behind self improvement, I'm up to this. I'm gonna support this because this is something what I believe that best decision ever. Two people getting married and not giving priority to each other, or two people getting married which are not fit for each other. Better that they choose a different paths and stay separated and be happy in their own lives.